Get ready to be amazed. These gadgets are unlike anything you've seen on Amazon. Today, we're counting down the 10 coolest gadgets you've probably never even heard of. Trust me, this list is packed with hidden gems. All the links are right there in the description box. Let's get into it.
LED desk lamp. Meet the OneMix LED desk lamp. Bright, flexible lighting for any workspace. Its 42-inch 4-panel design delivers up to 1,800 lumens, covering up to 80 inches for dual monitors or large desks. Choose from 5 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels, offering 25 customizable settings for work, study, or relaxation. Control everything with the included remote, or use built-in buttons for quick adjustments and timers. The flexible arm bends up to 180 degrees, while the sturdy clamp securely mounts to most desks. Reliable, versatile, and backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a smart upgrade for any home office.
Linux Mousepad. Meet the PixieCube Linux Commands Desk Mat, a smart cheat sheet built right into your workspace. It keeps essential Linux and Unix commands at your fingertips, organized by networking, files, processes, and more. Perfect for Kali, Ubuntu, Debian, and other distributions. At 35 by 15.7 inches, this oversized mat gives you plenty of room for your keyboard, mouse, and accessories. Stitched edges resist fraying, while a water-resistant surface protects against spills and wear. Vivid, long-lasting print quality completes the design. Practical and stylish, it's a smart gift for any Linux user or programmer.
Digital microscope. Meet the Andonstar, a versatile digital microscope built for precision work. With 3 interchangeable lenses, it's perfect for soldering, coin inspection, and biological viewing, offering ultra-high-definition 2160 resolution and magnification up to 2,000 times. The sturdy Pro boom arm stand adjusts easily for larger workspaces, ideal for electronics repair. Connect to a Windows PC for professional measurement software, or use the wireless remote for hands-free operation. With adjustable LED lighting and photo and video capture included, this all-in-one microscope kit is perfect for hobbyists, professionals, and curious minds alike.
Teleprompter. Meet the Neewer X11 teleprompter, a smart, versatile tool for creators and presenters. Its 11-inch beam splitter glass offers clear, readable text with minimal glare, while the built-in 9-inch monitor supports easy screen mirroring straight from your phone or tablet. No extra devices needed. It also doubles as a second computer display for Mac or Windows, keeping natural eye contact during broadcasts. The adjustable archetype holder supports secure camera mounting, and flexible mounting options fit tripods, stands, or mic arms. Perfect for YouTube, streaming, and video calls. The X11 makes professional presentations simple and accessible. Macro keys. Meet the Elgato Stream Deck MK2. Total control for creators, right at your fingertips. With 15 customizable LCD keys, you can trigger actions instantly. From launching social posts to adjusting audio, muting your mic, or controlling smart lights. Visual feedback confirms every command, so you always know it worked. It supports powerful plugins for OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Discord, Spotify, and more, streamlining your streaming, editing, or production workflow. Compatible with both Mac and PC, it's fully customizable with icon packs and interchangeable faceplates. Sleek, efficient, and endlessly versatile, the Stream Deck MK2 is built for serious content creators. Explorer Edition. Meet the Dockcase Explorer Edition, a powerful 10-in-1 hub that transforms your laptop into a full workstation. With HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and multiple USB ports, it connects everything you need in one place. Support for dual monitors at up to 4K resolution makes multitasking effortless, while high-speed data transfer up to 10 gigabits per second keeps your files moving fast. 100-watt power delivery keeps your devices charged, and built-in SD card slots add extra versatility. Compact, smart, and reliable, the Dockcase Explorer Edition is a must-have upgrade for any modern workspace. Furniture mover. Meet the MyUEA Furniture Dolly Set, a heavy-duty solution for moving furniture with ease.
Built from thickened carbon steel, it supports loads up to 3,474 pounds, with 5 rotating rubber wheels that glide smoothly without scratching floors. The included pry bar helps lift heavy items effortlessly, while non-slip pads keep everything secure during transport. An L-shaped edge and locking switches add extra stability and safety. Perfect for moving sofas, beds, appliances, and more. This complete kit, including gloves and a storage bag, makes furniture moving safer, faster, and far less stressful.
USB-C tester. Meet the Yojock USB-C tester, a smart tool for checking your chargers and cables. It measures voltage, current, power, and even temperature, helping you verify charging speed and quality for wall chargers, power banks, and USB cables. The upgraded color display offers 8 viewing modes for easy reading at a glance. Compatible with PD, QC fast charging, and most USB-C devices, from iPhones to laptops, it's a versatile tool for everyday use. Built-in safety protections guard against overvoltage and overcurrent, keeping your devices safe. Compact and reliable. A handy gadget for anyone curious about their charging setup. Electrical box. Meet the Flemoon Outdoor Electrical Box. Reliable protection for your outdoor power connections. Rated IP54 waterproof, it safely covers power strips, timers, and extension cords, keeping holiday lights, garden tools, and patio devices running safely in any weather. With 6 entry ports and secure rubber gaskets, it fits most cords and cables with ease. Simple clip and seal design makes setup quick, while mounting holes allow flexible wall placement. Certified for safety standards, it's perfect for pools, fountains, security cameras, and seasonal decorations. Sturdy, weatherproof, and practical. A smart solution for protecting your outdoor electrical setup. Digital thermometer. Meet the Voco digital thermometer hygrometer. Clear, accurate, and easy to read at a glance. Its oversized backlit display shows temperature, humidity, comfort level, and time, updating every 10 seconds for real-time accuracy. A color-coded comfort ring instantly tells you if your air is dry, comfortable, or wet, perfect for health-conscious homes. Choose USB or battery power with adjustable brightness for day or night viewing. Flexible placement options let it stand on a desk or hang on a wall. Simple, reliable, and thoughtfully designed. It's a smart addition to any room in your home.